Health safety management is the life safety management. Hello everyone, I am Sachin Walke. Today in this video, I am going to demonstrate all of you for some immunity boosting exercise which will help during this pandemic, second wave pandemic situation. So before that, my dear friend, I would like to ask one question for all of you. How many of you would like to live a happy, healthy and perfect life? I think everyone. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate you how to boost our immunity while doing some breathing exercise, different variation of breathing exercise and pranayama, which will boost your immunity and overall health. So before starting, I would like to give some tips regarding COVID-19 safety management. First, very important step: use nose mask everywhere whenever you are in workplace, when you are going to any crowded place or any other place where grocery shop or pharmacy shop. Use double layer nose mask. That is number one. Second, have a habit of washing your hand regularly with soap, or either you can sanitize your hand with alcohol based sanitizer. Number three, any if you are doing any coughing and sneezing, close your mouth with your elbow so that virus will not spread to other healthy person, and follow all the COVID-19 norms as per the government norms. So, apart from that, it is very important, my dear friends, to boost our immunity while doing some of the breathing exercise. So, let's start. I will demonstrate a few of the breathing exercises. Before doing the breathing exercise, be in a comfortable position. So here, I have a yoga mat with me, and have some stretching exercise initially before doing this breathing exercise, like just like I'm doing this stretching of my body, clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation. I am relaxing my shoulder here, relaxing my both the foot. Then you can sit in a very comfortable position like this. So the most important exercise to boosting our immunity is the Bhastika. Bhastika pranayam is, as per the expert, it has been observed that it will increase the overall immunity level and increase the oxygen intact in our lungs. So while doing Bhastika, I will suggest you can take this comfortable position, and you can be in a Sukhasana, Padmasana position, or either you can go for the Vajrasana like this. So I will recommend whenever you are doing Bhastika, Vajrasana position is one of the most comfortable position. Here you can see that I can able to sit here. So for Bhastika, you can hold your hand like this, erect your spinal cord in vertical direction. आप अपना दोनों दोनों शोल्डर ऐसे रख सकते हो, और आपकी रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधी होनी चाहिए. And whenever you do performing the Bhastika, you can release your hand in the air, and with fast inhalation and exhalation like this, that I'm doing like this. So don't put unnecessary pressure on your shoulder. You should be in a relaxed position, and there is gentle smile in your face, and you can perform like this. So when I lift my both the hand on the air, I will do inhalation, and when I drag down, I exhale my breath. So focus on your nasal septum area, nose area, and focus on your chest. And most of the people are doing the wrong things, like they are focusing on the abdominal portion. It is not a Kapalbhati. We have to just only focus on the lungs and our chest. So like this you can perform. You can twist your both the palm, and you can lift like this. So I am, there is sound will be must come through our nose, so that it will accelerate the oxygen level in your lungs, and it will increase your overall oxygen intact in your lungs. So Bhastika should be performed in a low speed, medium speed, and in high speed. So like beginner, or they didn't perform Bhastika before, so they will start with low speed like this. That's like I'm doing. So I inhale and lift my both the hand and exhale. So this is the normal low speed technique. So gradually you can increase with medium. So the medium position like that. So this is the medium stroke, and we can gradually increase the speed. Like so fast. Suppose I have to perform the fast Bhastika, so I can hold my both the hand like a fist, and I can inhale when I lift my both the hand on the air, and then exhale fast. So normally, Bhastika will be performed with low, medium speed, and high speed with 20 stroke. And you can start with 10, and then you can gradually increase with 15, and then 20. So overall benefit of Bhastika is it will increase the oxygen intake in your lungs. That is number one, and most importantly, it will boost our entire lungs and entire body through nitrogen oxide. See, our body is made up of various chemicals. So when nitrogen oxide enter through air and through this pure oxygen, it will it has a potential to kill the virus or other bacteria. So it will not only help to during the COVID situation, but also heal the other occupational diseases. So Bhastika pranayam is very very essential, very important technique to boost our overall immunity and oxygen, and increase the oxygen intact in your lungs. So perform it gradually while sitting in a comfortable position, and don't stretch your body. Don't put unnecessary extra pressure on your shoulders. So it should be performed in a very easy way like this. So you can close your eyes, and you can easily lift your both the hand on the air, and then drag down. So this is the most important exercise, which is very essential to perform and improve your overall oxygen intake and overall immunity level. There are one more variation for Bhastrika, like so I'm putting my both the hand on this my chest cross portion, and then I can inhale, I expand my chest and exhale. So this is the second variation of Bhastrika. You can perform 10 to 15 time. Apart from that, there is different variation of Bhastrika like this. So this is the third variation of Bhastika. And apart from that, you can focus on Brahmari pranayam. So Brahmari also help to increase the oxygen level, and it also helpful for remove the stress, anxiety during this COVID situation. So it is also help for our mental and emotional health. So Brahmari, you can simply sit on simple Padmasana position. We can take the Gyan Mudra, and you can inhale simply, and close your both the eyes and ear with the thumbs like this. You can straight, you can say so erect your spine very straight mode. I can just take a simple breath and then release with humming sound like this. So usually 10 to 15 or 20 times you can do the Brahmari. So it will release the stress, anxiety, and apart from that, it will also increase the nitrogen oxide percentage in your lungs and entire body, and it will has the potential to kill the bacteria and all sort of viruses. So my dear friend, I'm sure that doing breathing exercise and like Bastika pranayam that I already taught you in in this video, and apart from that Brahmari pranayam will going to definitely help you to boosting your overall immunity and keeping yourself and your near and dear one stay safe and healthy in this second wave of pandemic situation. So I'm sure that you you consider this video as a very important aspect in your life to boost your overall immunity level, and you take care of your health for yourself, your family, and your near and dear one. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you all.